Hi everyone, Antoinette here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I styled my dining room table for Easter Sunday lunch. My husband, my son and I will actually be eating at this table the way it's set, and I'm quite excited about that. I've made it simple, I think simple, maybe compared to some of my other tablescapes, but it really does scream Easter and spring, and it's a lot of lovely colors. So I'm going to walk you through the tablescape and explain some of the pieces to you, and then I will set the rest of the video to music. And just to let you know, this video is part of a collaboration that is hosted by my friends, Creatively Ms. Me by Stephanie, and co-hosted by the wonderful Tammy, the Glam Queen of DIY. So thank you ladies for this opportunity to do this video. I'm really excited. The following video will finally be my Spring Easter home tour video. And after that, I will be vlogging in April every weekend. So I hope you will join me for that. And let's get right to the tablescape. Let me know what you think, please. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, kindly consider subscribing. So here we go. So here we go, starting off here with this runner that I purchased about 2 weeks ago at HomeSense. I really fell in love with the colors of it, the blues and the yellows. I loved how spring and Easter it looked with the Easter eggs and the lilies and the butterflies. So when I first put this table runner down on my glass table, it really didn't show up very much. And it was a real shame. I thought, nope, this is much too pretty. We can't have it just sort of blend into the table. So I got the idea to put a darker runner underneath it, and it worked beautifully. It really pops now. So I used this sort of burgundy maroon color underneath my runner, and I think it goes nicely with that sort of copper stitching right in there on the butterfly and on the flowers. And so I carried over that copper look by using this tray here for my center of the table. I've also used this tray in a rose gold tablescape video. It's really quite versatile, and it looked great with the rose gold as well. So here on our tray, we have some really pretty Easter items. We have these very pretty yellow lilies, just like the yellow lilies in our runner. And you can see there that there are little Easter eggs amongst the flowers. We have a little crystal Easter basket, which I will be filling with candies for Easter. This absolutely adorable little yellow bunny egg on a stand that is a little planter, and my husband actually bought me that from HomeSense. I love it. And then these two little candle holders in this turquoisey blue color that really finish off the look of our tray really nicely. Then for our place settings, I have alternated, which I often do, yellow colored placemats and turquoise colored placemats. I like to alternate colors of placemats when I'm working with a couple of different colors. It's a nice way to bring in both of the colors. And you can see I've used these copper/rose gold chargers. They also look very nicely with the copper stitching in our runner. And then I kept it really nice and simple with white plates. And then on top of that, our salad plates are in this nice glass plate with yellow trim. And then our white coffee cups. And of course, our pretty little turquoise napkins. And then our glassware, one piece in the turquoise and one in the clear, our wine and our water. And that's what we look like. I'm really excited to sit here for Easter, like I said, with my family. It's a simple tablescape, but I can't tell you how happy it makes me to look at it. I think it's just so pretty. Sometimes simple is pretty. You know, often I say more is more, and I do believe that as well. But sometimes it really is quite nice to just have a simple table, especially if you're going to be sitting at it. You don't want to get distracted by too much stuff on the table when you're sitting with your family and having great conversation. So now let me just give you a quick tour, set to music.